Hello, welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur and I have Vivan with me today. Today, Vivan has prepared the hangman word for me and I'm the one who's going to be playing. So, are you guys ready? I'm ready. Are you ready, Vivan, to quiz me? Okay, let's go. So, let's start, shall we?
Yep.
Okay, so shall I go with the first word?
Yep.
E. It is a long word. I'm sure there is one E at least.
No.
No E. Okay. Then I'm sure there must be an I. I.
Yep.
Come on. Okay. Where is the I going to come?
Yep.
Where is it?
अब
हाँ,
क्या करें
हाँ,
इसके लिए?
Flip it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I. Wait. I. Okay. Where else? Is there only one I? Only one.
Yeah.
Which letter?
Yeah. Double I.
Okay. Okay, so the fifth and the last but one. Okay. Okay. O.
Yep.
I'm sure there's at least one O in this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. O. Ether. I thought it will come after the last but one. Okay, so one is here. One is here. Oops. This was outside my expectation. Let me think what it could be.
O is also done.
Okay. T. T for toy. T for toy.
Yep.
Oh. Okay. I was expecting it in another place.
Yep. T.
What could it be? Okay. S.
Yep.
Just one?
Yep.
Okay. So logically, the word should end with IST. So that's what I guessed. IST. O-I-O-IST. L. L for love.
Yep.
Okay. Where will it come? It went there. Arey yaar, the words are coming in a different place where I'm expecting them to come. Okay. G for God.
Yep.
Okay, I got that. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh.
G. Okay. So it is IOLO. Some logist. What logist? Biologist this cannot be because there are 4 letters in the front and there has to be one more I and O if it was a biologist.
Please do some more mistakes. Please do some mistakes.
I'm not telling you, I'm still thinking. I'm thinking out loud, that's all. What other word letters could it be?
Please do some errors.
Okay, let me just give a random one. R.
Yep.
See, I gave that was not something I was thinking of though. Third one. Okay. Third is
sorry.
R. Okay. Let me help Vivan a bit. This is first time. Okay, I think I know this.
No, please don't get it right.
A.
Yep.
Yeah, I know it, but I'm not going to say the word. I'm going to keep saying the letters because if I say the word, I might go wrong. But hey, I have some chances, don't I? Is it a cardiologist?
Yeah.
Yes, I got the word right. Cardiologist it is. Okay. It was a long one, but I getting the last few words right with the gist and the logist. I thought of biologist, but then again the number of letters were lesser. Thanks, Vivan. That was a good one. Cardiologist is indeed a typical word, not something that you would expect on a game of Hangman. But then, yes, it was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed. Were you able to guess it like me earlier, or you actually were thinking what word it could be? Do let us know how you like this in the comments. And hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and stay updated on all our latest puzzle games, quizzes, and videos. Until then, we'll see you soon. Bye.